So how many of you ever had to inventory an office? As we know, using Barcode, it can be very cumbersome. Here's why. You have all this nice furniture in here, which is very expensive. You don't want to put an eyesore tag on the top, just so that you can make it easy to read and inventory an office using Barcode. So what do we have to do? We actually have to hide the tags. But the problem with that is, with Barcode, you have to have what's known as line of sight. The reader has to be able to see what the tag looks like. So ideally, if I'm going to inventory this office, I actually have to flip this chair over and scan the tag. The problem becomes is if you look around this office, we have tags throughout the entire office to inventory every piece of asset that's in here. Imagine if I have to go through and do an inventory. That's time consuming, gotta get on my hands and knees, and as you can see, since the furniture is placed in certain areas, I'd have to move the furniture out just to read the tag to make sure I'm scanning the right barcode. Now what happens if we take that same application, but what we do is we put RFID tags on the assets. As we know, RFID tags do not need line of sight. They also read like a fingerprint in that once the tag is read, it'll only identify itself once. Or a barcode, you can actually make the mistake and scan it twice. So let's see what happens when I do a scan of the room using RFID tags. So I have 16 tags in the room, and as you can see here on the scanner, it read all 16 tags within a matter of seconds. I didn't have to flip anything over, didn't have to get on my hands and knees, and it gave me an accurate count of everything that's tagged in this office. So that's the difference between Barcode and RFID when you're trying to inventory furniture.